You're listening to Mr. English Podcast by Mr. English Podcast.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Mr. English Podcast. I'm Jessica.
And I'm John. Today's episode is a little different, but very important.
Yes, today we're talking about the environment, why it matters, and what simple things we can do to help.
Don't worry, no big words, no lectures, just real English and real life.
John, why do you think the environment is important?
Well, we need clean air to breathe, clean water to drink, and a clean place to live.
Exactly. The environment affects our health, our future, and our quality of life.
If the air is dirty, people get sick. If the water is polluted, animals and humans suffer.
That's right. And the environment isn't just about nature. It's about people, too.
In my opinion, taking care of the environment is really taking care of ourselves.
Here are some simple ways to share your opinion. I think the environment is important because, in my opinion, I believe small actions matter. For me, protecting nature means protecting our future.
These are great phrases for school, work, and daily conversations.
Now, let's talk about some common environmental problems.
One big problem is trash. People throw plastic bottles everywhere.
Another problem is air pollution from cars and factories.
And wasting electricity, leaving lights on, using too much air conditioning.
These problems may seem small, but when millions of people do them every day, they become serious.
Sometimes people say, "My actions don't matter."
But that's not true. Let's talk about simple actions, things everyone can do.
First, reduce plastic. Use a reusable bottle or bag.
Second, save electricity. Turn off lights when you don't need them.
Third, save water. Don't waste it.
You can also recycle, walk, or bike when possible, and keep your neighborhood clean.
These actions are small, but together they make a big difference.
In my opinion, doing something small is always better than doing nothing. Let's review some useful words. 1. Environment, the natural world around us. 2. Pollution, dirty air, water, or land. 3. Plastic waste, trash made from plastic. 4. Recycle, use something again. 5. Save energy, use less electricity. 6. Protect, keep something safe. 7. Future generations, people in the future.
These words are very common in news, school, and daily conversations. Repeat after me. 1. I think the environment is very important. 2. In my opinion, we should reduce plastic. 3. Small actions can make a big difference. 4. I try to save electricity at home. 5. Protecting the environment protects our future.
Great job. Your English sounds clear and thoughtful.
When I was younger, I didn't really think about the environment.
What changed?
I saw a river near my home become very dirty. It made me sad.
That's when many people start to care, when they see the impact in real life.
Now I try to be more careful, even with small things.
You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to change everything.
Just start with one small action.
Because if many people do small good things, the world becomes better. Thank you for listening to episode 33 of the Mr. English Podcast.
Learn English, share ideas, and take care of the world around you.